5 important tips for a creative life from the book Big Magic. And 1 bonus tip at the end. These ideas will help you live a more creative, confident, and joyful life. 1. Have the courage to face your fears. Creativity always arrives with fear. Fear tells you to stop, but courage tells you to try. In a creative life, both will walk beside you. The key is to let fear come along, but never let it drive your decisions. Choose curiosity over fear. To embrace your creative entitlement. You do not need permission from anyone to be creative. You already have the right to express yourself. Call yourself a designer, writer, dancer, painter, whatever you feel inside. Owning your identity gives you the power to create freely. 3. Be persistent and keep going. Creative work is not always easy. You will face rejection, distractions, and self-doubt. But you must keep showing up. Even small steps matter. Make time for your creativity and protect it like something important because it is. Reject perfectionism. Perfection is a trap that stops your progress. Waiting to make something perfect will only delay your growth. 5. Welcome creativity with joy. Do not become the suffering artist. Creativity should not make your life heavy. It should bring lightness and excitement. Work with joy, curiosity, and gratitude. When you enjoy the process, your work becomes more meaningful and your mind becomes healthier. 6. Bonus tip. Treat ideas like magical visitors. Ideas come and go like butterflies. They visit when your mind is open. So stay present, stay curious, and be ready to catch them. Write them down, sketch them, or act on them because ideas want to be welcomed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow my channel for more creative content.